Feeling like a pimp? Go on, brush your shoulder off. Today, we're gonna prep a lamb shoulder. Adam Lambert. First, we're gonna start with a dry brine. We have a pile of garlic, a shallot, that much salt, this much Sichuan peppercorn, rosemary, sorry, mint, olive oil. Put that in your handy dandy processor. First, we are gonna hit this with some olive oil as a binder, just a little bit. Top and bottom, and sides. Then we were gonna hit it with our one and only Seasoned in the Abyss, because it goes good with everything. We're just gonna douse it. Grab our paste, and we are gonna coat this sucker. Where was your mind? So as usual, you guys know I am a fan of putting this in the fridge uncovered and leaving it until tomorrow when we throw it on the smoker.
Yeah, roll that beautiful lamb footage.
After 48 hours, we're back. And yes, it sat for 48 hours because that's just the way it works. It can sit for 2 days, it can sit for 3 days, it's fine. We've rinsed it and we've rubbed it down with a little bit of white wine. And now we're just gonna give it another sprinkle of Seasoned in the Abyss. I'm gonna take this piece of meat to a little above medium rare, because even though I like my meat like Mia Wallace, my family may not. Don't be a daddy-o. Let's go jump in the pit.
You know how lazy men start their fires in the smoker? Just like that.
I'm also gonna stick a couple of probes in here in the thickest part of the meat. There's a lot of bone in this shoulder. We're gonna try to figure out where the best place to put these is. We're just about at the 250 mark on the pit. We're gonna run this with cherry wood at 250 the whole way until it gets to about 128, 130. And then we're gonna throw it in the oven at about 550 degrees to crisp up that outside and get it that nice Maynard effect. Why can't we?
I think it's Maynard.
Yeah, whatever. Lord bless my meat. I mean,
Pause.
blah, blah. Black sheep. We're also going to prep up what I'm gonna call mint pesto. And of course, it's gotta start with a bunch of mint, some garlic and shallot that I prepped beforehand, salt and pepper, toasted pine nuts, and found a cool use for the cherry smoked honey. A healthy dose of olive oil. Oh, it's nice and chunky. That is really good. And that's what we'll serve the lamb with. It's total bed lamb after it's cooked. We're at 131 and we're gonna pull this thing and get it into the oven for that nice Maynard effect.
I think it's Maynard.
Whatever. Look at that thing. Nice. Woo. And it's hot. Let's get it back inside. But chow. We're gonna stick that up there until it gets crisp. Pull it and rest. This one's silent. You shouldn't test me, Clarice. A lamb once tested me, and now it's in my oven. Let's carve into this shoulder. I've never done this. I saw it on YouTube. Cut along this ridge bone here, apparently, and just keep carving away. Look at that. Yow! That is hot. Check that out. Check out that smoke ring. This mint pesto that we made. That was good stuff right there. Cherry smoked lamb, the little mint pesto afterwards. That's a solid shoulder to cry on.